Hello everyone, this is Ashley with Aria Entertainment, and today I am going to continue on with our series, What is Sound? This is part 2, and I hope you guys enjoy. So before we talked about how a sound wave is a set of compressions and rarefactions through the vibration of molecules. Well, today we'll be talking about amplitude and loudness. Amplitude is the size of a sound wave. The more molecules vibrating, the higher and deeper these sound waves are. So this right here is the amplitude of a wave. It is how high or low the wave goes. We actually perceive amplitude as the loudness of a wave, and this loudness is measured in decibels. So let's go down here and write this out. Decibels are a unit of measurement. It stands for 1/10 deci of a bell, named after Alexander Graham Bell. So now let's talk about sound pressure level. And this is another thing that I want to write down so that you guys can have it. Sound pressure level is written as, it's written as dBSPL. So this is sound's pressure. And it is measured in dBSPL. We start the threshold of hearing from 0 dBSPL and move on to the threshold of feeling at around 120 dBSPL, to the threshold of pain at around 140 dBSPL. At 150 dBSPL, we get permanent hearing damage. So this is why we want to be careful with how loud we play our music, or if you're going to a really loud music concert, you might want to wear earplugs, because that is those areas can have really, really high dBSPLs and can damage your hearing. So the difference in decibels between the loudest and the softest or quietest sound is called dynamic range. So let's also write that down so that you can have it. So the dynamic range is important because while yes, it is the difference in decibels between the loudest and quietest sound, we do not hear low and high frequencies as well as middle ones, which is where most of our voices lie. And this is actually called the equal loudness principle. Sensitivity across the frequency spectrum is called the Robinson-Dadson curves, also known as the Fletcher-Munson curves. Now, this is a little more advanced than what I wanted to cover today, but I feel like we should probably get a hold of it And then next time I will teach you how to read this curve and understand just what it's showing. But for right now, the curve actually shows that the hearing threshold is more sensitive around these frequencies right here, which are mid frequencies. These ones right here that I'm circling. And then it starts diminishing as we get to the loud frequencies. And then we start hearing a bit of sensitivity in the loud frequencies, but not as much as the middle frequencies that are there. So yeah, and for right now, I think this is where we should stop. But next time I'm going to cover how to read this graph specifically so that you can understand if someone shows you a kind of graph like this, or if you're in an audio class, this would be really helpful to know. And I'll also cover masking, velocity, wavelength, and phase. So I hope this was very helpful, and yeah, I just hope that you guys have a good time with these videos. Let me know if there's something that you want me to cover. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.